In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key remote battery of your 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. It's a very easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the remote right there, and we need to pry the remote open because the battery is inside there. And in order to do that, we will need a flathead screwdriver. Now grab a flathead screwdriver that is as wide as possible, right? That's the slot right there. So grab a tip that's as wide as possible and as thick as possible, because that's just going to make your job easier. Now once you get the screwdriver, hold the remote like I'm holding over here. Don't press it hard too much, just hold it so it prevents the remote from flopping over when you're twisting it with the screwdriver there. So use the screwdriver and put it in the slot and twist it like the way I'm doing it over here, right? That should pry it open there, and then you can pry it open the rest of the way with just your hands. And now that is the battery right there. In order to get the battery out, again we can use the flathead screwdriver. So just use the screwdriver to push the battery out as much as you can, and then you can just use your thumb to pull it out the rest of the way. And that's it. Now let's look at the remote over here. Now right there's a plus sign. That's the positive. That means the positive side of the battery should be facing up. It says plus right there. Also, let's see the battery. It says CR2032. So that's the replacement battery size, right? CR2032 is the battery size like AAA battery or AA battery. So get the replacement battery and slide the new battery in like that. And now let's just put the cover of the remote back together. Click, click, and that's pretty much it. See how easy that was?